Nah, I'm just what's good, y'all? I'm back. We back with another video today. I'm super excited. We about to make some chicken nuggets. We going back to my childhood with this one of my favorite things to get when we go out to get fast food. I just try to put my own little spin on it. They turn out really good. They're super versatile. You can put and add and whatever you want. So yeah, I'm really excited. I do not have anything important to tell y'all, not that I have in the past, but just gonna be me cooking today. And yeah, we got a little surprise coming. And I want to say thank you to all 30 of y'all who are subscribed to my channel. Shout out to y'all. Really appreciate it. Everything that y'all been, DM me on Instagram and all that. I really appreciate all the support. And we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep doing these little videos. See what's up. Let's get into these chicken nuggets real quick. Get the chicken started. Okay, so first we got a chicken, then the flour with the seasoning in it, egg and milk, and then the breadcrumbs. And I was gonna tell y'all that you can also use oats, like if you have like gluten intolerance or just follow that diet or whatever. You can definitely substitute the breadcrumbs for anything. I personally like it better with breadcrumbs. It feels more like nuggety. But you can also use oats too and just put it in a blender. Make sure it's not like the whole oats. First, get the nug, put it in the flour, put it in the egg, put it in the breadcrumb. And there you go, you got your first chicken nugget. You can also do chicken strips like this, breaded chicken. Like I do chicken parmesan, like with the in pasta and stuff. I do it exactly like this, just different spices in the flour, because obviously, I mean, you don't really want your chicken parm tasting like chicken nuggets. So yeah, that's one of my girl's favorite dishes. I really like making that for her. I hate this part, y'all. This part is disgusting. I literally hate this. What I want to do, like, ugh. Do y'all see how many times I try to pick that up? Also I'm running out of breadcrumbs. That's an L for surely. Got a little more breadcrumbs. Got some nugs. Let's keep going. So while I was making more breadcrumbs, I was thinking of something I could talk about, which is basically what chicken nuggets y'all think is the best, because I definitely have my opinion, but I want to know yours. So in a comment, let me know. For me, and I would say Mickey D's, pretty much what I like crave, if I do crave any. That's what I like. Those are my favorite chicken nuggets. Chick-fil-A. This is the recipe that I steal from Chick-fil-A. And this, mine kind of goes off of that, but I put my own stuff in it because I like my chicken a certain way. But damn, that's nasty. Do y'all see that? Ugh, I just hate this process. I really do. Alright, y'all. We're pretty much done. Ooh, that one look a little rough, but that's okay. Stay tuned, but it's a surprise. We back. This is my little setup. This is the surprise over here. Y'all not allowed to know, but this is what we got. This is what we got. I'm about to show y'all a trick. Oh shit. See, I'll be too close to hot things. I need to not do that. Okay. Obviously, the smaller one's gonna cook faster, y'all. Just be aware of that when you're frying them. Alright, y'all, so this is what they looking like right now. They're a little darker than I thought they would be, but they're still really, really, really good. I'm really excited. Ooh, that one looks so good. Are you ready for the surprise? Boom, boom, boom. If this video get 15 likes, then I got y'all with the boba recipe. It's about to be lit. Tell your friends, tell your auntie, tell your moms. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. You already know what it is. Alright, y'all, we back. I'm sorry if you can hear my air conditioning is so hot. I like had to turn it on with my cooking. So yeah, we finished. We got the chicken nuggets. I got my barbecue. Like, these are so good. Like, I cannot stop eating them. They're literally so good. The barbecue sauce is just perfect. Whatever y'all like on your chicken nuggets, it goes perfect with this, y'all. I promise. It's so good. If you guys make these, you're not gonna be disappointed. These hit. These smack. That's it for the video. That's all I got for y'all today. I hope y'all like the surprise. We got those 15 likes, y'all. It's gonna be easy. 15 likes and I'll teach y'all how to make my boba. I get it out the package, but eventually I'm gonna try to make it by hand. Thank y'all for joining me. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, we got 30. We only trying to grow the family. So yeah, thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Hope you have a good day. Stay up, stay blessed. Have a good one.